Welcome back, guys. Today I want to take a look at this little step drill that I purchased from GearBest. Okay, I've been after one of these for some time now, and I watched a review of somebody actually making himself a fidget cube, and he used one of these things, and I thought, time to get one, and here it is. So let's take a closer look at it, shall we? And here it is. As you can see, it's marked in metric here. You got 4 at this end, 4mm, right up to 22mm at this end. And this is why they call it a step drill. It's not marked on this side though. Interestingly, the drive shaft is exactly the same as one of these little fellows, so it makes it even that little more flexible. Look, can I show you that? Just about. There you go. Now obviously these things are designed to be used in a drill, which I just happen to have here. There we go. Just pop him in, hopefully. There he goes. Now we've got it in there, and this is how they are designed to be used. But this one, with its I think it's a 6mm hex on the end there. You can also use it in something like this. This little T-bar here. It will go in, and you can actually use it in there. And I just happen to have, oh, you can see what a good fit it is. Pop that there for half a moment. I've got this interesting screwdriver here. Can we get it all in the shot? Yes, we can. This happens to be a flexible screwdriver. Look at that. How good is that? It will actually fit in there too, look. So it's held in there nicely. So you could actually get into some strange, unusual places with this baby. Bend it round a bit. There we go, look. Brilliant. Now you can obviously do the same with a screwdriver bit with this. I might have to do a review on this, because it's quite an interesting little thing. The flexible screwdriver. So this single little tool here, this little step drill, can replace all of these. I mean, I've only got a few here. This goes from 4 to 22. I've only got 5 up to 22mm here. These 2 are for wood, and you can use these on metal, and I've used them on wood as well a time or two. I believe you can use this on both metal and wood. So I think what we better do is I think we better take it down to the workshop if you want to come along, guys, and we'll give it a go, see what it's like. Okay guys, glad you could make it down here too. Here we are then, we've got the step drill. I've got a little bit of aluminium, small piece of wood, got me drill again. And I've also got the other 2 tools that we saw earlier on. So what we'll do is we'll make a start with the drill then. Okay, let's give that a go, shall we? Start with a piece of wood, I think. Right, give it a go. Oh, just caught my elbow on something. And there's the kind of finish you get in the hole. Obviously, to make use of the different sizes, you're going to need a fairly thin piece of wood. Here is a cross section of that drilled hole. You can see the little steps going on in there, hopefully. Alrighty then, let's try it on some aluminium. There we have the 4mm hole there. Pop it back down again. Go through it with the next one. There's the next one. And same again. And we're through again. I believe it's also possible to use this step drill here to deburr holes. As you can see, we've got quite a burr going on here. So pop it over the hole we drilled before so the drill's got somewhere to go. Right, let's give it a go and see what happens. You can see the burr here, I'm sure you can. Sticking up there. Let's give it a go then. There we go. It's gone. And just how easy is it to use this thing using like a T-bar or a screwdriver? We'll give it a go in the T-bar first, I think. There's my glove. Here it is. Right, probably not easy, but we'll give it a try. It seems to be doing alright in this piece of wood here. It'll take you a lot longer. But now it's getting started in there, it's a lot easier to work it. Obviously the larger size steps are going to be harder to work with. It's going to be a long old job, but I think you can actually do it. Okay. Let's take a look at that, shall we? And once again you can see the little steps in there, hopefully. Let's give it a go on some aluminium then. Probably be really difficult, I would imagine. It's not going to be as easy as wood, and it isn't. Right, there we go. It is actually cutting its way in there a little bit, but we could be here all day doing this. You can actually see the little, hopefully you can see the little bits coming off. Let's have a closer look at that for you. Hopefully you can see that there, the little hole I've made in it. So what if we wanted to use this at a funny angle then? Are we going to do any good with the flexible screwdriver? Well, let's give it a go. Push it into the wood. Turn the screwdriver over for you, look. Hopefully you can see that. You probably can't, but what about now? Can you see it? There we go. Try it this way then. It's starting to cut its way in there. Let's move it so I can get at it easier. Now you guys know what's going on. Slowly, but it's a job to push against it to get a bite, look, but hopefully you can see it's doing stuff here. I'm still using the flexible driver here. Well, you could do it, it would take some time obviously, but it's definitely going in there, look. I'm sure you can see. We're still using the flexible driver here. Well, I hope that's given you some idea of how this little fellow works. It's quite good actually. Okay, so we're back in the studio with the step drill. I brought some of the bits we were messing about with up here, just so you can have a closer look. Here's a little bit of wood we tried with the flexible screwdriver. There's the hole. Here you can get a much better idea of the cross-section cut I did after drilling the hole out. And here's the little bit of work we did with the aluminium sheet. Okay guys, the little step drill then. 4mm to 22mm step drill. Are any of you guys interested in this? Will you be purchasing one? Do you have one? Do you use one on a regular basis? Please let me know in the comments down below. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the review. If you did, please feel free to subscribe to the channel because that will help me out as well. Thank you very much. And don't forget to click on this little bell here too, giving you the option of receiving updates for new reviews. You can also follow me on Instagram too. I've already put up a photograph of myself setting up in the workshop for the review today, and you can support the channel via Patreon as well, my Patreon page. Thank you. Alright then guys, hope you enjoyed the review. Hope it was helpful to you, and I will catch you here again in the near future then. Laters! Oh dear. Oh. Ruff.